This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Pinterest Inc. using the search phrase, "How to buy shares of Pinterest Inc." Pinterest is a visual discovery platform listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PINS, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker PINS to find Pinterest. Select the matching result to open the correct stock listing. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm it shows Pinterest Inc. and ticker PINS before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is processed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.